Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of notifications on Google Maps. We click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about maps or Google Maps. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, you can go to Play Store. You can go to this sign, you can search about Google Maps. You can enter here, and if you'll find updates, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.